WinRAR versus 7-zip. Choosing the right file archiver can completely change how you manage compressed files without wasting time or storage space. We'll briefly cover both popular options to help you decide. WinRAR and 7-zip are two leading file archivers that compress and extract data efficiently. The core difference lies in their formats and licensing. WinRAR is a paid software with proprietary RAR format support, while 7-zip is free and open source. WinRAR is a powerful file archiver developed by RARlab, designed to compress, encrypt, and manage archives. It primarily uses the proprietary RAR format known for high compression ratios and strong error recovery. WinRAR works by creating compressed archives that reduce file sizes, speeding up storage and transfer. It supports multiple formats including zipping, zip, IP, and CAB, but RAR remains its standout feature. Strengths include a user-friendly interface, robust compression options, and integrated encryption for security. WinRAR also offers solid support for multi-volume archives, which is useful for splitting large files. However, it is proprietary software requiring a license purchase after a trial period, which may deter casual users. Additionally, its compression speed can be slower compared to some alternatives. WinRAR is ideal for users who need advanced compression features, reliable error recovery, and professional-level encryption, especially when working with RAR archives regularly. For those who prioritize ease of use and comprehensive format support with paid software, WinRAR is a solid choice. Source: it's www.rarlab.com. 7-zip is a free open-source file archiver known for its high compression performance and broad format compatibility. It uses the 7-zip format by default, which offers excellent compression ratios to advanced algorithms like LZMA and LZMA2. 7-zip can create and extract archives in many formats, including zip, IP, tar, and RAR extraction only. It operates efficiently with a lightweight interface and integrates well into Windows Explorer for quick access. Its strengths include zero cost, strong compression, and support for AES-256 encryption, ensuring secure file storage. However, 7-zip lacks native support for creating RAR archives and has a less polished interface compared to commercial options. Its advanced compression settings might be overwhelming for beginners but provide flexibility for power users. 7-zip is ideal for users looking for a free, reliable archiver with strong compression capabilities and open source transparency. It suits those who want maximum compression without licensing fees and who primarily work with 7-zip or zip formats. Source: http 5-zip zip-.amort 7-zip org. Comparing WinRAR and 7-zip reveals clear trade-offs. WinRAR excels with its proprietary RR format, offering superior error recovery and multi-volume archive support, making it perfect for professional use or handling large projects. Its paid license ensures ongoing updates and customer support. Conversely, 7-zip provides outstanding compression ratios in the 7-zip format for free, with AES-256 encryption and broad format compatibility, ideal for budget-conscious users or open-source advocates. However, it cannot create RAR files and has a more basic interface. For everyday file compression and extraction, 7-zip is efficient and accessible. For specialized tasks requiring RAR archives or enhanced recovery features, WinRAR stands out. Ultimately, the choice depends on whether you prioritize cost and open source flexibility or advanced proprietary features and dedicated support. Sources: https tpsys/www.rarlab.com https://www.7zip.org. Choose WinRAR if you need professional-grade compression, RAR format support, and reliable error recovery, especially for large or complex archive management. Opt for 7-zip if you want a free open-source archiver with excellent compression and encryption, suitable for most users who prioritize cost efficiency and versatility. Both tools excel in different areas, so select based on your specific compression needs and workflow.